Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix Netflix. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic, how to fix common PS5 issues and get your console back up and running. Whether your PS5 isn't turning on, stuck on the blue light of death, or having trouble reading discs, I've got you covered with easy-to-follow repair solutions. Stick around till the end for some bonus troubleshooting tips. Let's get started. Section 1. PS5 won't turn on. If your PS5 refuses to power on but no lights, no sound, try these steps. Check if the power cable is securely connected. Verify if the power supply unit is working. Inspect standby voltages, 12 volt, 5 volt, 3.3 volt, to see if the console is receiving power. If there's still no response, check the Southbridge IC and BIOS firmware. If faulty, they may need repairs or replacements. Section 2. PS5 turns off after beeping. If your PS5 beeps once and powers off, here's what you can do. Check power on voltages to make sure they're stable. Inspect the APU processor and RAM for shorts or overheating. If you hear 3 beeps before shutdown, the issue might be corrupt BIOS firmware or a failing Southbridge IC. Updating or replacing these components could help. Section 3. Fixing the blue light of death. A blinking or solid blue light on your PS5 usually indicates a serious hardware issue. Try these fixes. Look for liquid metal spills near the APU. If found, carefully clean it. Use a thermal camera to check for overheating areas. Inspect RAM modules. If one is faulty, consider reflowing or replacing it. If none of these work, the APU or RAM may be defective. Section 4. White light but no display. If your PS5 turns on with a white light but there's no picture, follow these steps. Inspect the HDMI port and encoder IC for damage. Check HDMI filters and data lines for broken connections. If necessary, replace the HDMI encoder IC. Section 5. PS5 not reading discs. Is your PS5 rejecting discs or not recognizing them? Here's how to fix it. Ensure the disk drive board is properly paired with the console. If the issue started after a system update, the drive firmware may need reprogramming. Check for damaged cables or misaligned components in the disk drive. Section 6. Overheating and loud fan noise. Is your PS5 overheating and shutting down? Follow these steps to cool it down. Clean the internal components to remove dust buildup. Replace thermal paste and liquid metal on the APU. Ensure the cooling fan is working properly. Section 7. USB ports not working. If your PS5 won't detect controllers or external devices, here's what to do. Check the USB current limiting switch TPS2001D. Inspect USB data lines and power regulators for shorts. If needed, replace the TUSB1044 USB Type-C redriver. Section 8. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth issues. Can't connect to Wi-Fi or sync your controller? Try this. Inspect the Wi-Fi or Bluetooth IC for shorts or damage. Check capacitors and power rails related to the wireless module. Section 9. Freezing, crashing, and update errors. If your PS5 keeps freezing, crashing, or failing to update, here's what to do. Rebuild the PS5 database in safe mode. Check the SSD controller and NAND flash memory for errors. If updates fail, a faulty RAM module or SSD could be the issue. And that's it. These are the most common PS5 issues and how to fix them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more repair guides, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!